For this project, we're going to need a round box in paper mache, and this box is about 10 inches in diameter. Mod Podge and a sponge, shipping labels, hairbands, pink spray paint, disposable gloves, 21 diapers, paper shreds, a pencil and a ruler, scissors and X-Acto knife, and a printer. Or you can send out your file to a place like Staples where they can print it for you for a price. But before painting the box, we are going to figure out what size of stickers we are going to place in the box. For us to determine the size of the logo or sticker that we are going to be placing in here, we are going to draw a line with the lid on in the box like this, and then we take the lid and put it in the bottom, then draw another line like this. We measure the space between lines, and that gives us the maximum height for the logo. The width can be whatever we want it to be, and that is like that for any size of box. If you don't feel like measuring the size of the labels for the box, then just go to the description box and download the links of labels that I posted. First, we're gonna make sure that there is nothing on top or around the box. No hair, no residue of any type, nothing, before we can spray paint it. Please do not spray paint on your driveway. Even when I use that cardboard, I end up messing up my driveway. And now my driveway, because of the different projects that I've done, it looks like a colorful driveway. So if you can, and you have the possibility, it's best if you do it on top of grass, because grass will always get caught, and whatever you do there is gonna disappear. As in the driveway, you're gonna have a rainbow of colors. It goes without saying that spray painting should be done outside or in a very well ventilated area. It is also very good to protect yourself from the fumes with a mask. Let the box dry completely for 24 hours so it will absorb all the paint before you start working on it. To print the labels, I got these shipping labels that I purchased at Staples. I'm sure you can get it somewhere else. It says laser for laser printer. Don't worry about that. I have an inkjet printer and this one works perfectly fine. It has 25 sheets of 8.5 by 11. So that works perfect for me. This is how they will look after they're printed, and they came out pretty well. The only thing is that they don't have shine to them, and it's pretty good. They are, you just have to peel and stick, but I wanted some shine. What I did was I used Mod Podge. With the Mod Podge, you could obtain two different textures. The texture in this logo is different than in this logo, right? So the way you do this one is that you put a little bit of the Mod Podge in here, like all the way, and then you drag the sponge like this, and that's how you get the lines. Okay, the way you do this other technique is that you put some Mod Podge on top, and then you do this, like that, till you cover everything. This one is shinier than this one. So you can use each one of the two techniques. It's gonna depend on what you want at the moment. Once you apply the Mod Podge, the drying period is very, very fast. The logos are dry from the Mod Podge. They came out great, as you can see. These other two logos I'm used for a different project. The texture looks good, and I cut it with this cutter from Cricut. But we could have also cut it with a pair of scissors. The second logo to cut is this one right here. I will be using the black one just to keep within the theme, and we can use an X-Acto knife or scissors to cut it. Or if you have a Cricut machine, go ahead and send the file I uploaded for you to use with your machine. In this video, I will be using the X-Acto knife. We will use this at a later time. Okay, now we're going to work with the diapers. We have a diaper here. We're going to turn it, and we're gonna work with the front of the diaper. We are gonna start rolling in like if it was a little taquito. We're gonna use one of these hair bands, and we are going to secure our taquito just like that. We're gonna do it once, only once. And now we are going to do 20 more of these taquitos. In total, we should have 21 of them.